up, Hustle Maniacs? It's your boy, Hustle Man, back with another video. Man, it is Sunday. It is Sunday. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Hustle Man, where I document my excursions and the Goodwill, thrift stores, flea market, pawn shops, and all that good stuff. So I'm at one of my favorite thrift stores. I hadn't been in here in a while, so man, the weather is back to normal pretty much. We just come off of appreciate it. Come off of winter wonderland. Right here. So let's see what we can find. I'll check back with y'all later. How's it going?
It's going.
Oh man, that's a cool looking Nirvana shirt.
Like Nirvana?
Yeah. I grew up in that era. I'm 55, so.
You're older than me.
I remember when he died,
Me too.
Kurt Cobain.
I seen a picture on the internet the other day of him and Biggie and Tupac, and I'm like, that's got to be Photoshop.
No,
That's got to be.
no, they were into rock influenced hip hop.
Right, I understand that, but I'm saying Kurt Cobain hanging with Biggie and Tupac at the same time, all three at the same time.
No, it was probably a real picture.
I saw it on Facebook.
What size of that shirt? You know, the Kurt Cobain.
I'm trying. Oh, that one in the middle.
Yeah.
Tupac's still alive. It's a large.
I don't know about that.
It's a large.
How much is it? $2.90. Okay, let me have it. And
What is it, a camera?
yeah.
Why are you recording us?
I ain't recording y'all. You ain't even on it. I'm recording what I buy.
Oh, that's cool.
It's for my YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's a young girl.
Okay, how much you want for the Harley Davidson sweater?
The hoodie?
Yeah.
$8.99. It's a large.
$8.99. It's pretty cool.
So is that a yay or a nay?
The Bad Bunny $8.99 too?
Yep.
Okay, let me get both of those. And how much you want? The Super Mario's?
$2.29.
Okay, I get that one too. So it's pretty cool. This looks in good shape. And give me the what's that? Yoda. Huh. Last Dance.
That's Venom.
That's Venom?
This one's Venom too. They're both Marvel.
What, Stay Con is Venom?
The
Last Dance is Venom.
Venom brand, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Marvel Comics. This is too.
Yeah. Huh.
$7.99 black rice, 11 pennies for an even 8. Paying party cash. Now you ready for yours?
I don't think these are real.
Come on, for today. Ready? Place for more.
Let's explore some more. See what they got back here real quick. Sorry about the music, guys, but hopefully it won't get. Oh wow. I got a mongoose bike with no seat. I generally will buy these little refrigerators, but that one looks kind of dirty, so I will pass. Let me check some shoes real quick. Adidas. Guys, do I need to invest in a mic? Excuse me. I think I need to invest in a mic, guys. Because my mic picking up all this music, so I might need to invest in a microphone. I think that will be one of my next investments. Also, I think I'm gonna buy another camera. What y'all think? I'm gonna get the Pocket 3, guys. The Pocket 3. It's gonna cost me a little money, but I think I'm going to invest in that. So, okay. What the hell are all these Heelys? Huh. Never seen those Heelys before. Kind of in bad shape though. I hadn't bought any like women's clothing in a long time. I normally would go over there and find clothing and shoes for women, but I haven't done that in a minute. Oh, look at this cool little visor, Tweety Bird visor. Look at that, it's pretty cool. Looks kind of dirty a little bit, but pretty cool.
Well, you saw me with your eyes, right?
It's a cool little backpack. But guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. Anyway, y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell as we grow the channel. I ain't really found nothing else that was really worth it. But I'm gonna get these listed and sell these. Oh man, look at this little skateboard. That's pretty cool. It's $5. I think I'm gonna get this. It was just sitting back here. Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna sign off. I see y'all on the next video. Alright, peace.
You're rocking with the man with the plan. When you're rocking with the hustle man.
Come on, keep working.
Go home. No.
I'll do it.
Home.